Put it right. No, pick it by his tongue. Bottom lip.
Bottom lip?
Yeah, bottom lip. Pick him up like that.
Ow, that fucking hurts.
Let me take a picture of that shit.
Woo! Take a picture with my phone, dude?
Yeah.
So there, see on the what is there?
Fuck yeah!
Yeah!
Adrian! Okay. Oh shit. You're like fucking.
Oh, here, sit. Here, I can.
I'll move it over.
If you tighten it in, you can see how you tighten it in. Dope.
Alright, get the hook out. See, move it down. It's a good looking fish, dude.
There we go.
Okay, just throw them back. Right here in this bottom part. Oh, turn them upside down. Turn them the other way, Adrian. There you go.
That was fucking dope, dude. Oh, he's right there still. There we go. Yeah.
So you only want a little bit of bait on your hooks.
Little bit, yeah.